All right, folks. How you doing? It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're going to continue on video 2 of the Norcold 928 removal, and we will be putting a Amish unit into it, the absorption. So I'm going to go over a couple little things with you. Here we go. We'll turn this around. All right, so one, we're going to disconnect the water. This is the solenoid that feeds your ice maker. Okay, every time. Now, what it is, this is two sizes that you need, okay? One is a 15/16, okay? That'll go around the gas line that comes. I've already turned the gas off, so please do that. And always, we're going to hold the valve itself and turn that nut. Remember, always have 2 wrenches when you're disconnecting any kind of hose, line, or anything like that. Now we'll put you on pause. I'm going to bust this loose. Oh, I'm going to tell you the other size. I'm sorry. So this gas line is 13/16. All right, so here, put you on pause. I'm going to get that line disconnected. It's right there. Hold on, let me. There you go. That's a much better. We're going to be doing that nut right there, and we're going to hold it by the gas valve body. And this is actually how you turn the gas off right here for the refrigerator if you're going to troubleshoot this way. But this big line right here, you have to go over to the main tank and shut it off. Some RVs come with it right here, some don't. I would say more don't than do. All right, so we'll put it in there. I've already busted it loose, but I'll just show you. Basically, you hold that one, and there you go. Crank it loose. All right, so you got the idea. Now, I'm going to put you on hold and get this disconnected. Also, there's a 120. We can disconnect that now. That's the 120. It goes to the electric heating element. There you go. I've already disconnected the 12-volt signal, so this thing won't go into automatic flip over mode. It doesn't matter because there's no gas. All right, so I'm going to put you on hold once again. I said that a couple times, and I'm going to get this thing loosened up. All right, so we're back. I'm going to show you, see where the white and the yellow wire come out of the coach, down through the body, right down, way down in there, okay? How do we know? There's my 13.4. That means the converter's on, or the inverter is in converter mode and charging. So white is return, or be negative, or ground. And then the yellow wire is positive in this case. In this case, there's a red wire hooked to it. All right, but I'm going to show you something very important here once again. All right, put it on pause. Now you see right now, there's no symbol there. So that means the red lead, if properly installed in the multimeter, which it is, will tell you where it's at. Is it positive or negative? Watch. Okay, so red is going to black, but actually it's going to white. And then the black wire of the multimeter lead, or COM, negative, is going to the yellow wire, positive. How can we tell? It says -13. So wherever the red lead is the circuit it's on. So it is on the ground side. Just a little hint on multimeter usage. I'll try to do it every video till you learn. All right, so pretty much got everything disconnected. The gas valve is disconnected. The 120 is disconnected, right? All right, and I'll disconnect the 12-volt positive negative, and then we'll start to try to remove this. All right, folks, here we are inside the coach. Showed you everything outside. The video before this, video 1, I went over how to get all the doors off. There they are. I took out the ice tray. There's probably some water up in here. Yep. So I got to get that out. But what I want to tell you about this one, it had a lip on it. Right there. Okay. That channel right there was laying in there. So it's a little bit of a bear. Some of them don't have it. And I'm looking at this wood. It ain't looking too good. So there might be another project. But I'm going to pull this refrigerator out. And I think we're going to call it even for tonight. Okay, short video, just showing you how all this done and put you on hold. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. All right, there it is, folks. I pulled it out. Oh, look, there's the outside. And then here is your vent. Okay. And I didn't see a vent channel right here coming up, closing this off, but it was probably pretty close. Oh, right here. Here it is. That's it, right there. That little lip right there seals that. So there it is. There's another one. Right? That gets the airflow up. But notice he didn't have no external fans on. So the new model does. All right. So that's an evaporator refrigerator. This is your 120 heater element right here. Okay. Maybe it's not too bright there. There you go. 120 heater element. All right. So this is that's it for tonight. That's it for tonight. I've worked up a sweat. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Thank you for listening. Remember, a couple ways to get a hold of me. One, this is my YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics. That's a tough name to remember. Two, the Facebook page, which is growing by leaps and bounds. We're getting ready to hit 15,000 members, and that's before probably December of 2020. A lot of people on there to help you too. A lot of people from their past experience, oh, it was this, it was that. Now, if you want a one-on-one with me, and you're going to learn how to use a multimeter, troubleshoot and everything, and tools, I'll teach you all kinds of stuff. We'll have fun. I got people out there that are 70-some years old doing this stuff, never knew what a meter was, and they're doing it. All kinds of people, and all over the world. That place is called www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's the one-on-one with me. That's my website. Also, there's the RV Garage, RV Diagnostics, which you're in right now. Outside of that, we mentioned it, right? 1, the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics. 2, the YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics. 3, the website. And 4, the garage, which is in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. All right, if you're trying to get a hold of me, get on the Facebook page, message me, I'll see it. If you're not a member of the website, if you are, you have my telephone number, but I ain't gonna give that out to everybody because I'll probably be busier than I am already. Once again, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Thank you very much for being patient with me and learning. Bye-bye.